Academic English Words You Should Know, Part 1. The words used in this video come from the academic words list. This is a list of the common academic words used in English. We are going to look at the words, their meanings, what part of speech they are, as well as how they are used in sentences. 1. Alternative. This is a noun, meaning additional choice or a possible remaining choice. Let's have a look at this example. The alternative was to take the bus. What this sentence is saying is that taking the bus was the additional choice. 2. Assessment. This is a noun, meaning evaluation of something. Let's have a look at this example sentence. They want to do an assessment of our English language skills. What this sentence is saying is that they are evaluating your skills to see how you are doing. 3. Complex. This is an adjective, something that has many connected parts that are different and unique, which make it difficult to understand. Let's have a look at this sentence. The topics in our science studies are very complex. What this sentence is saying is that the topics are difficult to understand. 4. Concept. This is a noun, meaning an idea of something that you form in your mind. Let's have a look at this example. Traveling to Mars is an interesting concept. We need to think of ideas on how it can be done and what it can be like. What this sentence is saying is that traveling to Mars is an interesting and unique idea. 5. Conclusion. This is a noun, meaning the end or close of something. In conclusion, I passed my exam. What this sentence is saying is that the end result was passing the exam. 6. Benefit. This is a noun, meaning something that is good or to your advantage. Let's have a look at this example. She talked about the benefits of making a study planner. So she is saying how a study planner can be a good addition to your studying. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we will be sharing more academic word list words with you.